My dear class 10th students, welcome to my channel Study for Education. I hope you are all well. Today I discuss with you your Madhyamik very important subject mathematics, MCQ and ACQ. At first I discuss with you Madhyamik 2017 MCQ and MCQ and then 2019. Your new and reduced syllabus is from chapter 1 to chapter 18. I discuss around your new syllabus. Here is 2017 mathematics question paper. My new friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. At first I discuss with you about the instruction about your answer sheet and question papers. The answers of the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are to be given at the beginning of the answer script, mentioning the question numbers in the serial order. Necessary calculation and drawing, if any, must be given in the right hand side by drawing margins at the first few pages in the answer scripts. Tables and calculator are not allowed. Approximate value of pi may be taken as 22/7 if necessary. Graph paper will be supplied if required. Arithmetic problems may be solved by algebraic methods. Now I discuss question number 1. MCQ. Choose the correct answer. If the ratio of principal and yearly amount be in the ratio 25:28, then the yearly rate of interest is option B 12%. Next 2. Under what condition one root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is 0? Answer option C equals to 0. The number of common tangents of two circles when they do not touch or intersect each other is option D 4. This is trigonometry. Now question number 5. If each of ratio of the base and height of a cone be doubled, then the volume of it will be the 8 times of the previous one. আমি শুধুমাত্র তোমাদের যে নিউ সিলেবাস তার ওপরই আমি বলছি। আমাদের ট্রিগনোমেট্রি অ্যান্ড আমাদের যে রাশিবিজ্ঞান সেটা যেহেতু স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স সেটা আমাদের যেহেতু সিলেবাসের অন্তর্ভুক্ত নয়, সেজন্য আমি সেগুলো তোমাদের বলছি না। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 2. ফিল ইন দ্য ব্ল্যাঙ্কস. Any 5. 1. At the same rate percent per annum, the simple interest and compound interest of the same principal are same in 1 year. If in a quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a not equal to 0, b square equal to 4ac, then the roots of the quadratic will be real and dash equal. If the length of the sides of two triangles are in proportion, then two triangles are similar. The numbers of plane surface of a solid hemisphere is 1. Question number 3. Write true or false. 1. A starts a business with rupees 10,000 and B given rupees 20,000 after 6 months. At the end of the year, their profit will be equal. The answer is true. Next, if x equal to 2 plus root 3, the volume of x plus half x plus 1 by x is 2 root 3. False. Next, if two circles of radii 7 cm and 3 cm touch each other externally, then the distance between their centers will be 4 cm. False. If the total surface area of a hemisphere be 36 pi square centimeter, then its radius will be 3 centimeter. False. Next, মাধ্যমিক কোয়েশ্চেন পেপার 2019 ম্যাথমেটিক্স পেপার। আমার কাছে 18 আর 20টা নেই, সেজন্য আমি তোমাদের দিতে পারলাম না। যখন আমি পাবো আমি তোমাদের নিশ্চয়ই দিয়ে দেব। Question number 1 MCQ. Choose the correct option in each case from the following questions. 1. In a partnership business, the ratio of share of profit of two friends is half is to 1/3. Then the ratio of their principal is 3:2. 2. If P plus Q equal to root 13 and P minus Q equal to root 5, then the value of PQ is option A 2. O is the center of a circle and AB a diameter. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle ABC equal to 65 degree, angle DS equal to 40 degree. Then the measure of angle BCD is option C 115 degree. 5 eta. If two cubes of length of each side 2 root 6 centimeter are placed side by side, then the length of the diagonal of the cuboid so produced is option D 12 centimeter. Then question number 2, fill up the blanks. Any 5. First হলো, a person deposited rupees 100 in a bank and gets the amount of rupees 121 after 2 years. The rate of compound interest is 10%. If the product and sum of two quadratic surds is a rational number, then surds are conjugate surd. If the bases of two triangles are situated on same line and the other vertex of the two triangles are common, then the ratio of the areas of two triangles are dash to the ratio of their bases. Answer will be equal. The number of surfaces of a solid right circular cylinder is 3. Next, question number 3, write true or false any 5. First, the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest of rupees 100 in 1 year at the rate of 10% PA is RE 1, মানে rupees 1. Answer false. The compound ratio of AB is to C square, BC is to A square and CA is to B square is 1:1. True. Only one circle can be drawn through 3 non-collinear points. True. The ratio of the volume of a right circular cone and the right circular cylinder with same base and height is 1:3. Answer true. So, I hope this video will be too much helpful to all of you. Thank you.